So here's how to add touch and back in Shopify theme for mobile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here at the top right corner you will be able to view the mobile option. You have to enable the mobile view of your site. After that, you have to access your Shopify theme editor by going to online store, themes in your Shopify admin, then click on the actions and select edit code. Find the section or file where you want to add the touch and back functionality. Typically, you will be working with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. To enable touch interactions, you will need to add touch event listeners to elements like buttons, menus, or any interactive parts of your website. You can use JavaScript to achieve this. For example, you can add an event listener to the touch start or touch end event. If you want to add a custom back button, create an HTML element with the functionality to navigate back. Use JavaScript to handle the back action when the button is clicked or touched. Ensure that the elements you have added are styled and positioned correctly for mobile devices. Use CSS media queries to adjust the layout and appearance based on screen size. After making changes thoroughly, test your Shopify store on various mobile devices to ensure that the touch and back functionality works as expected and that designs remains responsive. So that's how to add touch and back in Shopify theme for mobile.